Paunti na ng paunti ang mga boksidor na maaaring magbalik ng karangalan sa ating bansa sa sports ng palakasan. Ito ay dahil karamihan ng ating mga bagong sibol na mandirigma ay hindi pinapalad sa kani-kanilang unang laban na ginaganap sa labas ng bansa. Ang iba naman ay madalas na mabiktima ng madumi at madayang sistema. Ang bansang Japan ay isa sa mga bansa na naganap ang ganitong uri ng sistema. Ilang mga bagong sibol na Pinoy pattern ang nabiktima at dito ay umuwi ng luhaan. Ngunit alam nyo ba na noong taong 1998 ay isang Pinoy prospect ang dumayo sa bansang Japan upang subukan ang kanyang kapalaran sa sports na ito. Ito ay walang iba kundi ang ating pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao, kung saan nabigo ang mga judges, gayon din ang referee sa gagawin sanang mahika sa nooy batang si Pacquiao. Ang nakatapat dito ni Manny Pacquiao ay ang isang hometown Japanese fighter na si Shin Terao na may kartadang 10 win, 2 losses at 1 draw. Samantalang ang ating pambansang kamao naman ay nooy may kartadang 22 wins at 1 loss. Ito ang kauna-unahang laban ni Manny Pacquiao sa labas ng bansa, kaya naman wala itong sinayang na pagkakataon upang hindi makuha ang tagumpay. Sa laban na ito, hindi nakaporma ang Japanese fighter sa husay ng nooy papasikat pa lamang na si Manny Pacquiao. Nang tapusin kagad nito ang laban sa loob lamang ng round 1. Sa bungad pa lang ng round 1 ay nagpakita kaagad ng magandang galawang Hapon mula sa footwork at body movement nito. Samantalang mapapansin naman kay Pacquiao na hindi pa masyadong maganda ang mga depensa nito at madalas pa itong matamaan ng mga counter jab mula sa Hapon.
Whilst the fact we are treating no one, he's reckless, beyond reckless. He's open. His jab is terrible. Pause it. He doesn't really commit to the jab, and when he commits the left hand, he overcommits. It's just weird.
Subalit gayon pa man, hindi ito naging hadlang sa batang Pacquiao upang hindi madumina ang bakbakan.
Trout, the little Japanese guy is landing plenty of jabs early on against the Pac-Man. Unfortunately for Trout, nothing from him really had any effect. He only had one knockout in 13 fights before us, and his lack of power was evident on Pacquiao's power. As you saw there, he snaps back Trout's head. His head, Pacquiao, flyweight, was a dynamite puncher. He's also so physically strong and both can get away with it.
Isang left overhand ang naikonekta ni Pacquiao at ito ay nagdulot ng bahagyang pagka-outbalance sa Hapon. At dito ay sinamantala na ng batang Pacquiao ang pagkakataon at maya-maya pa napabagsak nito ang Hapon. Ngunit hindi napansin ng referee na isang headbutt pala ang dahilan ng pagbagsak ng Hapon. Kaya naman binilangan niya ito at dito ay nagawa pa nitong ituloy ang laban.
Credit to Trout for getting up. That looked incredibly painful. Well, he still looks hurt. He's been locked almost immediately after.
Subalit maya-maya pa ay muling bumagsak ang Hapon matapos itong paulanan ng mga agresibong kamao ng batang Pacquiao. Ngunit muling nasurvive ng Hapon ang mga bilang ng referee. Sa pagkakataong ito, kapansin-pansin na tila ba wala na sa tamang balanse ang Japanese fighter. Marahil, resulta ito ng 2 beses nitong pagbagsak at tila ba nawalan ng lakas ang lower body nito. Kaya naman, nahihirapan na itong makipagsabayan sa batang Pacquiao.
I'm gonna wonder whether or not his corner should perhaps throw in the towel. Pacquiao was all over him like a bad rash. Trout trying to fight back just doesn't have anything at all to get Pacquiao's respect. And the Filipino is just unloading on him. Tempted to smother and hold Terao, he just isn't strong enough. He's almost tossed around in the clinch. As soon as they get back on him, Pacquiao unloading, just letting his shots fly. Credit to Terao for staying upright for a long time. It's really come down.
sa patuloy na pagbibigay ng mga agresibong atake ng batang Pacquiao ay dito ay muling bumagsak sa ikatlong pagkakataon ang Japanese fighter. At sa pagkakataong ito, itinigil na ng referee ang laban dahil sa 3 knockdown rules in effect.
There we go, 3 knockdown rule is in effect, causing him to finish the bout. After this bout,
Dahil sa impresibong debut ng batang Pacquiao sa labas ng bansa, nagbukas ito ng isang magandang oportunidad para sa kanya. 6 na buwan lang ang nakalipas ay nakuha naman ni Pacquiao ang kanyang kauna-unahang world title nang talunin nito ang world champion ng bansang Thailand na si Chatchay Sasakul via knockout sa round 8.
Pacquiao continuing to strong. Oh, he got Chachay with the left to the side of the body. Chachay stalking Sasakul.
I know, that was a very rare shot coming from Manny Pacquiao.
Good combination that time by Pacquiao. Another good combination.
Pacquiao's throwing it on,
And
giving it his all.
Chachay backing off. A good left by Pacquiao. Just knocking it out here. Pacquiao goes after Chachay. Chachay.
Si Chachay,
Oh,
pag parang
wala.
may look of anger ito sa
Yeah.
Manny Pacquiao, parang natatakot ito si
Yeah.
Chachay. He's got
Good right and a left by Pacquiao. Hard right to the side of the body. Another right by Pacquiao.
But you
Pacquiao.
notice in this round,
He's
Pacquiao,
looking to the body and a right uppercut by Pacquiao. But Chachay comes back and Manny Pacquiao going for broke here in round number 8.
second win being shown here by Manny Pacquiao. All attacking, paano ito sinasabi natin kanina?
Oo.
Kulang sa atake sa katawan. Ngayon, pinapakita ni Manny Pacquiao, meron pa
He walked into a right that time by Chachay. Pacquiao walking to the body now. You know, Chachay seems to be vulnerable in the body. Good left by Pacquiao, left and a right by Chachay. Good hard right by Pacquiao, but he gets caught with the right from Sasakul.
A partner at this
Chachay
stage,
Sasakul.
Chachay needs to beat Manny Pacquiao to the punch.
Now
Because
Pacquiao
Pacquiao is
connects.
aggressive.
Pacquiao
Pacquiao.
connects. He got nailed with the right. He's fighting back.
Pacquiao's got to be careful.
He's
May
going
lakas
after
pa Chachay. May
Slapped
lakas.
down. Chachay continuing to stop the Thai champion. Throws the right under. Logic says right. You know Sasakul is a little worried.
But partner,
Chachay is
this
a little
fight
worried.
is turning to a street brawl. Ito sa round number 8. Panatanato.
Good right cross by Pacquiao.
And there's no backing away.
No backing. No,
Manny
this is
Pacquiao
thunder in
is
Thailand.
moving in. Chachay fighting back. Oh, what a brawl. What a fight.
Pacquiao continues to stalk Chachay. Chachay looks worried with him. Despite the fact that he's not making changes. Chachay was hurt by Pacquiao. Pacquiao stalking the champion.
Pacquiao's got to keep his focus. He's got to continue attacking the
Chachay.
Side of the
Chachay
body.
left to the side of the head. Good left. And Chachay was rocked.
That's right, he
Pacquiao
was
goes
dropped.
after him.
A nice left straight thrown by Manny Pacquiao. Chacchay's mouth is open.
Pacquiao going after him. Pacquiao is going in trouble. Pacquiao, he's down. He's down. Chachay down. Pacquiao. Chachay down. He's out. He's not going to get up. Pacquiao is out. He's not going to get up. 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 He's over. Manny Pacquiao is the world champion. Manny Pacquiao is the world champion.
Wala na si Chachay.
Sa isang boksidor, ang unang laban sa labas ng bansa ang pinaka-importante para sa kanilang karera sapagkat ito ang magdidikta sa kung gaano kabilis aangat ang karir ng isang fighter. Kung pareho sana kay Pacquiao ang magiging abilidad ng mga bagong sibol nating mandirigma, panigurado, muli tayong magkakaroon ng panibagong pambansang kamao na muling magdadala ng karangalan sa ating mga Pilipino sa sports ng palakasan. Ano sa tingin mo, kabayan? Sino kaya ang susunod sa yapak ng isang Manny Pacquiao? Kung nabitin ka naman sa ating video, ay inaanyayahan kitang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang bell button para updated ka sa mga kalidad na boxing topic. Maraming salamat po.